In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jasper AI dynamic templates. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Jasper's ready-to-use dynamic templates, how to locate the right one for your task, and how to generate results with just a couple of clicks. First, open Jasper in your browser and head to the home page. Make sure you're signed in so you can access everything we're about to walk through. From the home screen, look to the left sidebar and click on Agents. In Jasper, agents function like dynamic templates. They come with built-in instructions and structures so you don't have to start from a blank page. This is where you'll discover templates tailored for common workflows such as blog content, social copy, product descriptions, emails, and more. Once you're in the agents area, you have two easy ways to find what you need. If you already know your use case or have a keyword in mind, use the search bar at the top to quickly surface the most relevant agent. Searching terms like blog, ad, or product can narrow the list to exactly the type of template you're after. If you're still exploring, you can browse the library instead. Browsing helps you scan categories and spot templates you might not have considered yet. It's a great way to discover options optimized for different tones, channels, or formats. When something catches your eye, click on the agent you need. This opens a dedicated page with more details about what the template is designed to do. You'll typically see a short description, the kind of inputs it expects, and the outcomes it produces. This quick overview helps confirm you've picked the right match for your goal without any guesswork. Next, click on Use Agent. Jasper will open a workspace where the dynamic template is ready to run. This view keeps things clean and focused so you can move from selection to output without unnecessary setup. If you're returning to a template you've used before, this also makes it simple to stay consistent. Finally, click on Generate Now. Jasper will process the agent's instructions and create content based on the template structure. You'll see the results appear in the canvas, shaped by the best practices built into that agent. If the output inspires a new angle, you can revisit the same agent later and run it again with a different focus. And that's it. You navigated to Jasper, opened the agents section, searched or browsed, chose the right dynamic template, used it, and generated your results with a single click.